Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on Google Pixel 3a. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and then you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes. Then click Delete account. And now your account should be removed. So now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click Sign in. Now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is now removed. So now let's click Next to recover it. And I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And scroll down and click Accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental controls is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.